Hey guys, it's Alex, and today I will be showing you how to do a winged liner, fingers crossed I don't mess up, using two of our liquid liners, our Maneater and our Sex Kitten liquid liners. So let's get started. Since it's one of the harder things to do and our Snap fam always asks how to do it, I figured might as well show you. And if it goes south, then I'm sorry. But I'll be starting with our Maneater liquid liner first, and then I'll move on to our Sex Kitten. I'm gonna get up close and personal right there. I just found this Urban Outfitters choker holder. I'll use this to show you guys how I initially learned, and then I'll freehand the next one. So first, I'm gonna put a little bit of the product so that it comes out nicely when I do the wing liner. I'm literally gonna go from the outside of my eye and then angle it toward my eyebrow. Sorry if you guys see anything up my nose. I'm gonna do that and then just draw a point and go down. I also wanted to mention that is my first step. I always draw from the outside of my eyebrow, look down, make a point, and then draw into my outer V. And then I'll go to the top of that point again and then grab that line and take it all the way to the inner corner of my eye. Now that I have that base filled out, I will then go ahead and just fill it in, like fill in the lines, you know, like back to kindergarten. Let's take it back to kindergarten. Let's fill in the lines. I'm gonna show you guys with my eye closed how it looks. Hopefully I filled in all the lines, but here you go. This was using our Maneater liquid liner. Don't worry, we'll add some mascara after we're done with the complete look, but now I'm gonna move on to this eye, and I'm gonna use our Sex Kitten liquid liner, and we all have that side of the face that we don't like taking photos on. Like, this is my side right here. I'm like, hey, this side, I don't like that much, but since we're all friends here, I'm gonna show it to ya. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put some product onto my hand to get the liquid flowing. And now I'm just gonna freehand this one. I can't really talk when I'm doing my wing liner, so here goes nothing. Now I'll show you this side of my eye closed, and hopefully they both kind of match. That's like the hardest thing for me, is having them match, but I gave it all I had. I hope that kind of helped. When I actually learned through watching Jen on Snapchat, but it kind of just takes practice. You just kind of find what's easiest for you. You can either start at the out and then work in, or you can start inward, work outward. It's, you know, your preference, but you have to remember, practice makes perfect. It's only fair that I use my Maneater mascara. Also, tip, for those of you that don't have naturally curly lashes, I like to go from the inside of my lash and then curl it upward, and it'll actually leave a natural curl. So just take it on the inside, curl it, and there you have it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if you're a Maneater or if you're a Sex Kitten. Oh, I thought it was a bug. It's just some liquid liner. Real nice, Alex. Real nice. I almost forgot to mention, anyone that saw my last vlog on back to school shopping, I'm wearing those trendy jeans, the ones I were kind of scared of. Gotten a lot of compliments, and who knows? I might be seeing a new Alex in the near future. Just kidding, but I really like them. Go outside your comfort zone, you guys. You might like it. Here's my trendy jeans outfit.